Unlock the power of your Windows PC on the big screen with this quick guide to mirroring your display to your Apple TV using Airparrot. First, head over to the Airparrot website and download the latest version for your Windows computer. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen prompts to install Airparrot. With Airparrot installed, launch the application. You'll see its simple interface. Make sure your Windows computer and your Apple TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for the mirroring to work. In the Airparrot window, click on the screen mirroring option. This tells Airparrot you want to send your entire computer screen to another device. Now, Airparrot will scan your network for available devices. You should see your Apple TV appear in the list of available receivers. Click on your Apple TV to connect. Once connected, your Windows computer screen will instantly appear on your Apple TV. You can now open any application, play videos, give presentations, or browse the web, all displayed on your television. To disconnect, simply open the Airparrot application again and click the disconnect button. It's that easy to share your Windows experience on the big screen.